Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, and a lot more. And welcome back to another video. In this video, as you must have seen, आजकल Born on Instagram ने Lakme के साथ collaborate करके बहुत सारे influencers को इतने बड़े-बड़े makeup के boxes भेजे हैं. And I'm very grateful that I also got one of these. And Lakme के इसमें makeup products है. And this is like a makeup heaven. This has everything. This has a lot of skincare, a lot of makeup. And in this video, I'm going to unbox this very huge giant package in front of you guys and tell you what's there, what's in there. And some of the products I've already used, so I'll be giving the first impressions too. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. The packaging first. It's a matte black box which has velvet inside, so it's a very luxurious packaging. So I'm going to take our products in any random order and we'll share it with you guys. So the first, it says Lakme X Born on Instagram, and this is just an invite for the event. It's very difficult for me to choose कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, but चलो कहीं से तो करते हैं. So the first I have the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Face Wash. So I use this face wash. This is a very foaming face wash. इससे इतनी अच्छी लैदर बन जाती है. आई डोंट इवन रिमेम्बर लास्ट फेस वॉश मैंने इसको कौन सा यूज़ किया था जिससे इतनी अच्छी लैदर बन जाती है. इट्स अ रियली गुड फेस वॉश. बट अगर इस पर वाइटनिंग ना लिखा होता तो आई वुड हैव प्रेफर्ड इट मोर. Then we have the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Clay Face Mask. Okay, so I tried this today. इससे फेस आपका इट सेज इट्स पोर क्लीनिंग एंड मेरा फेस ऐसे इतना स्क्विकी क्लीन हो गया. अंदर से मुझे लग रहा था मेरे सब पोर्स में से सब डर्ट सब निकल गई है. बट अराउंड माई अपर लिप एरिया इट्स अ लिटिल सेंसिटिव बिकॉज ऑफ शेयर वेयर, सो वहाँ थोड़ा इरिटेट करा था. बट अदरवाइज मास्क इज वेरी वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट अब आई हैव द लैक्मे पीच मिल्क की उनका बेसिक मॉइस्चराइजर. इट्स अ वेरी 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 गुड एवरीडे मॉइस्चराइजर. नेक्स्ट आप समर्स है तो वी नीड द सनस्क्रीन. दिस इज द लैक्मे सन एक्सपर्ट SPF 50 सनस्क्रीन. इट इज अ tinted sunscreen. I haven't used it yet, but it's a tinted one. I think it's a really nice sunscreen. If you have applied this, you do not need to apply base every time. Like, it's a good type of base also. Next up we have 4 moisturizers. Let me talk you through one by one. The first is Lakme 95 Matte Moist. This is how the cute and nice the packaging is. It's made of plastic. The moisturizer is super matte. I tried it yesterday. It smells of green tea and it is very matte. अगर आपको कुछ basic matte makeup करना है तो उससे पहले आप ये easily apply कर सकते हो. The next moisturizer I have is the Lakme 95 Natural. This is the Aloe Aqua Gel, which is made with 100% pure aloe vera gel. The packaging of this is so nice. I'll say it's so beautiful. It has a green and white ombre with the golden duckkin. Lakme has done some bomb things with their packaging. The packaging now is so amazing, and it is like an aloe vera gel only. It's like the texture is like an aloe vera gel. I haven't used it yet, but I'm really looking forward to use this. Next up is my favorite moisturizer. This is the Lakme Absolute 72-hour Hydration Hydra Pro Gel Cream. Oh my god. This is how the packaging is. It's so freaking beautiful. It's blue in color and it's so hydrating. I just used it today and I can definitely feel my skin is so hydrated, so nice. I really like this moisturizer. अभी जितने मैंने try किए उनमें सबसे best यही वाला है. Okay guys, next up the last moisturizer. This is the Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Skin Sculpting Day Cream. It also has SPF 50 and the packaging of this is the best. So nice. It's so similar to the Hydra Gel wala moisturizer, but this has its own properties. It is also a very nice moisturizer. It's a very thick one. Skin sculpting, so I think उसके लिए थोड़ा thick cream ही चाहिए होता है. So that's that. Plus skincare is something you cannot use once and tell more about it. You have to use it for a regular time and then only you can form an opinion. We have very little of skincare left now and then we'll move on to the makeup. So then we have the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oil and Serum. So personally I have used oil-based serums for the face and they do wonders to your skin. I will highly recommend you guys oil-based serums use करना शुरू कर दो. It will help you so much. This is how the packaging is. I just opened it right now. It's so beautiful, So luxurious. It's an overnight oil and gel serum. Next up, this is something which I'm really excited to try about. This is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Serum with Vita Riscorcenol. This is like an illuminator, but it's like a serum only. So I haven't opened it yet. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Again, how do we open it? Oh, it's a twist thing. Okay, and now you pump it. Okay. So let me swatch. The texture is really lightweight. Oh, it's so beautiful, so hydrating. It's a really good one. I think I'm gonna give my mom this one because I think she will really like it. Next up, we have the Lakme 9 to 5 Naturel. This is the aloe cleansing wipes, and wipes so we all need. So yeah, great. Thank you for sending it. So now I can see there's just makeup left, and let me start with my favorite thing. This is the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. So this is basically my second tube. I've used this in the past, and this is a very good primer. This is how the packaging looks like. It's black and it's a very good gel primer, and if you're looking for a gel primer, definitely try this one because this is my second tube and I am so happy with this. Moving on, we have the CC cream. This is the Lakme 95 CC cream. I have been using this since years now and I really like it. And they have sent it in 3 versions. So they have sent the bigger one in honey, which is actually my shade. And then इसमें 3 ही shades आते हैं मुझे लगता है, and they have sent a small one in number 1, and then they have also sent a small one in 03, and 02 is my shade. So they've sent basically all of the shades, so that's great. I've used this in the past. This is a very good CC cream. This blends so easily. I've used it today as well. It's really good. Next up, we have the Kohl's. So they've sent me 2 kajals. So this is the one is in the shade black, I feel, and one is in the shade silver. So this is how they are. They have to be sharpened. They glide so easily. The pigment is so nice and dark. And we have the silver one right here. These are really good. They also come with this merging thing at the back from which you can, smudge your eyeliner. You can, just apply this as eyeliner and then smudge. Like we are talking about our eye products, we also have the Lakme Iconic Mascara. I've used this in the past. I have been loving this always. मतलब ये जितनी बार मैंने लिया है, I've always loved it. ये बहुत ही natural सा छोटी सी, they just coat your eyelashes and make them look prettier. It does not provide a lot of volume or length, but this is a very good everyday mascara and I really like it. Now we have one more eye product and then we'll move on to the other things. So we have the Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. I have this on right now. I used this yesterday also and day before yesterday also. This has an amazing stay. The packaging is really nice. It's basic black and Lakme का absolute shine line आता है. इसकी packaging उसकी जैसी है. वो इससे थोड़ा expensive है, but this is like equally good. It's so good, the eyeliner. Very thin tip and it's so good. It's so pigmented. It's waterproof and it's smudge proof. It's amazing. Like the eyeliner is really good. Next up, we have 2 eyeshadow palettes which I'm very excited about. One is the Midnight Magic and one is Pink Paradise. The Midnight Magic has a lot of darker shades with a pop of pink right here, and it has a lot of neutrals, a lot of shimmery shades. I've used this palette to create the eye look which I have today. This also comes with brushes and little chotu sa mirror, which I think is not very useful. No, it actually is. It's a very useful mirror, I'll say. In the Pink Paradise, we have a lot of bright shades. We have lavender, we have pinks, we have wine, coral, brown, green. We have a lot of shades and these are like quite pigmented. Let me swatch the green eyeshadow for you guys. You can see that. It's so nice. So the highlighter I have is from the Lakme Absolute range, and this is the Moonlit highlighter. This has a little bit of brown highlighter and then it has like a little bit of rose gold highlighter, and I personally like golden highlighters, so if you mix them both it becomes a perfect shade. It's not an everyday highlighter, it's a little chunky, it's like a little in your eye type of highlighter. So I think you can use it on functions and stuff, but it's not an everyday highlighter, but it's really good and pigmented. Next up, we have 4 lipsticks and then the video will be over. So we have 2 from the Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution Lip Colors. So we have one in this shade Shocking Pink, which is a very beautiful pink shade. And I'm a sucker for pink shades, so I am gonna love it a lot. Then we have another one which is in the shade morning coffee, and this is such a beautiful coffee shade. You know, the name says the shade. And I've used this coffee shade with another one today as well. This is a very nice nude shade. And the only bad thing about these lipsticks are they are expensive, but they do not have a lot of stay. So I think Lakme can work upon that, because these are matte. This should have stay of at least I'll say 4-5 hours, but it goes as you eat something. So yeah. Next up, we have two shades in the matte melt liquid lip color, and stay of this is really good. So the shades we have in this are the Crazy Tangerine, and it's actually a crazy tangerine. It's so orange. This is not my lip color, but I think kabhi na kabhi to lag hi jayega. The last shade I have is the Coral Flip. This is so beautiful. I've used this today as well. This is how the color looks like. I've used this today with the brown. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm totally in love. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to you guys for sharing your support always, so that I get to collaborate with amazing brands like Lakme. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of content on Instagram, and I will be doing a lot of makeup looks using these products. So yeah, see you there. Bye bye guys. Please subscribe before you leave.